What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Right, so in today's episode, I've got an absolute killer drill for my beginner community right now. A lot of you guys are asking why you're tripping up so frequently with your jump ropes and why you're not able to piece together transitions and make it look slick. And this video is going to show you exactly how to do it the right way, the slick way, and as usual, to get you skipping like a boss. For those of you who are new to Rush Athletics TV, welcome. This is the home of jump rope workouts, jump rope tutorials, and of course the slickest speed rope on the planet. This is the Rush Athletics speed rope, also known as the money rope. Make sure you go online and copy yours now, www.rushathletics.co.uk. You can also copy it on Amazon US and Amazon Canada. And for those of you out there in the rest of the world, we do ship worldwide from our base right here. Right, without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this quick fire tutorial. But before we do that, as usual, I'm gonna run that intro and I'll see you in the next clip. Peace. Right guys, welcome back. Couple of announcements before we get straight into this tutorial. A lot of my OG subscribers are gonna know, but most of my videos always have a little bit of noise. They have some planes. Today I've got a car coming down the driveway. Our neighbor's hosting a party, so if there's any noise, let me move the map for this car. Right, so I was just saying, OG subscribers know about just how it goes down here. But for you newbies out there, there's always things happening, there's always noise. So apologies for that if it annoys you. Second announcement, I'm in the USA next month. August the 23rd, I'm in LA. I'm at the Venice Beach area. August the 23rd, that's a Thursday. We're doing our first meetup in the USA. It's gonna be absolutely epic. Please come down if you're from that region. Really wanna say what's up, wanna jump rope with you, wanna create some epic content, hear your story, hear your journey. A few days later, we're flying over to the East Coast, to New York City. We're gonna be in the Central Park location this time around. So that's a Saturday. Exact time and exact location within these areas will be confirmed a lot more closer to the time. So make sure you guys stay tuned on this channel, just keep up to date. I cannot wait for this United States tour, guys. My crew out there is absolutely kicking, and a lot of my following, a lot of my supporter kind of base is from these regions, so I can't wait to meet you. Los Angeles, New York City, be there, don't let me down. Right, so a lot of you beginners out there, when you first pick up a jump rope, when you start skipping, you try to go as fast as you can, you try to do all the kind of fancy moves, and you realize you keep tripping up, you're finding it difficult, you're slapping yourself, and it's not kind of working, you don't like it. But listen, let's do this quick drill. It's gonna be a really quick tutorial as well, guys, but let's do this quick drill where all you're gonna do is you're just gonna change your arm shape, your kind of technique, the way you're gonna rotate the rope, and it's gonna feel very different, it's gonna feel very foreign at first. You might not like it, but I assure you, and I promise you, you just keep at it, you stick with it, and it's gonna get you skipping a lot more longer, a lot more better, and you're gonna be looking a lot more slicker. Right, playing right now, I'm gonna have to shout maybe, I don't know. Right, so I'm gonna show you what the common beginner does. You guys would have seen these on my previous videos, like kind of common beginner mistakes. You've all seen it, but everyone still falls in the same trap, so I'm gonna show it to you one more time. So a lot of people, when they set up, when they're skipping, they're always out here, ready to kind of go. Here we are, skipping like this. And sometimes it works, sometimes it looks smooth, but it's really inefficient, using a lot of kind of shoulder rotator cuffs, which you don't want. It just seems like hard work. It doesn't look cool in my opinion, and I'm sure you guys will agree. And already my shoulders are hurting, and they don't need to feel that kind of tired just yet. So we're just gonna change it up slightly. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start to bring from out here, you're gonna kind of bring your elbows into your kind of sides here. So that's the first step. So we're here now. This is what I would say is kind of beginner slash nearly intermediate mistake. They're now at this point where they know that the elbows need to be in, so they're skipping, but now it looks like this. Now it's just not as bad as the last time, but from here it's okay. But the problem here is that the rope again is a little bit too wide, elbows are here, and it looks very awkward once more. So now we're gonna tweak it one more time. And again, like I said to you, it's a quick fire tutorial. What you're now gonna do, and this is where it's gonna feel a little bit weird for you beginners, is from here, I want you now to bring your arms here. So now you're facing them forward and your thumbs There you go. Come down the shaft of the jump rope, or down the handle of the jump rope, and you're gonna face them almost forward. I would say a little bit, that's literally 90 degrees. You're gonna kind of flick it out slightly. So there's my arm position now. Literally, this is what we're gonna do. So here we go. Now we're here. So can you already see the arc above my head is a lot more narrow. The rope has become a lot more longer. So before we were here, rope is a lot shorter, likely to trip up. One more kind of negative point on kind of having the arms out here, or even kind of tucked in but still wide, is things like double unders, crossovers, side swings. They just look awkward as hell. Let me show you how it kind of looks. Most of the time when they're out here, you'll see double unders kind of, I mean, you could do them. My shoulders there already feeling a little bit of a burn when they shouldn't be. It's only like 4 or 5 I've just done. Just inefficient use of kind of the muscles. Then you've got crossovers which look like this. So you've got people who skip out here, and then that's what the crossover is going to look like. Or like this. And like I said, you're making the rope really shallow, so you're more likely to trip because the rope is just naturally becoming shorter. From here, I get the sensation that I'm really pushing the rope forward, and then that gives me the speed and the whip that I need to then go into different moves and control. So you can now start to do your crossovers, your double unders, your side swings a lot more easier, a lot more quicker, and that's when you start to move up the levels. And like I said, this is a beginner tutorial, so I don't need to kind of teach you crossovers and those kind of moves just yet, and I've got videos for those already. But the key thing is get these foundations, get these basics right. Come away from this and even this and move into this. From here, you're gonna be able to do things like this. So there you go, it's a lot more smoother, a lot more easier to go into transitions, into different kind of techniques, skills. And the reason is because I'm not out here, so I can manipulate the rope from here. My hands are close, quick crossovers, quick side swings. Simple drill, guys, it's gonna feel really weird. Whew, beat down. Start with this, guys, first, then we're gonna move into timing, footwork and things like that. There's a lot more to come from this channel, so make sure you do subscribe. Our community is absolutely blowing up. We're literally taking cardio by storm. All thanks to you guys, always all thanks to you guys. So listen, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up there, nice and easy. I'm already a little bit out of breath, which is good, nice little workout. As always, comment down below, let me know if you found this video useful. Give this video a big thumbs up as well. It'll be cool for me to know what you guys like to see going forward as well. And yeah, as always, guys, keep practicing, be patient, stick with it. This doesn't come overnight. Don't forget, guys, USA crew, I wanna see you and all you newbies out there. Make sure you pick up your speed ropes, our heavy ropes as well, that you can find on our website. And we're also gonna be stocking on Amazon worldwide soon. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna leave it there and I'm gonna see you in that next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.
What's up, YouTube family? The Jump Rope Coach here. Just want to say a massive thanks for helping me build this community with you all. You guys are absolutely incredible. Your support is my oxygen, and all I want to do is create more and more value for you all. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be up to date with all the latest tutorials and workouts coming your way. So without further ado, guys, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.